Hi guys, I'm back with my new video. This video is dedicated for those who are new to mining, and as we know, mining is right now a sensational hit for anybody who wants to come in for a little bit investment and want to gain some amount of money right now. Mining is going at a very much boom ratio right now for the time being. So here are the things I want to introduce for you, although guys, if you want to make sure if you are in the mining field, some of the things that you can get in your home is this motherboard. It could be any motherboard, any gaming or any type of motherboard, be it P6 Gen, 5 Gen or any Ryzen series motherboard. But if you want to mine with both your processor and both your graphics card, then yes, Ryzen 3900X is the nicest catch for now, and you would get it at the very minimum range right now in the market, because at first, before times, these CPUs come so much costlier. Right now you can get in any second-hand market by the range of 25 to 27,000 only, and with motherboard of course it will cost you up to 32 or 33,000 approximately. So what we have over here, we got a motherboard that is B550, that is Aorus B550 Aorus Pro V2, and we have a Ryzen 9 3900X over there. We have two RAMs, DDR4 channel, that is of crosshair, and we have a 750 watt SMPS, and we have a graphics card of RTX 3080. For now you can easily get in the market an RTX 3080 for the deal of 130 to 1,30,000 to 1,35,000 in the second hand range. And if you want to buy a new one, it would be so much bucks of 1,50,000 to 1,65,000 right now, depending on the market search. But right now unfortunately there is no RTX 3080 live in the market that you would get at an HHR. We have all LHR cards in the market. So whatsoever in the context, if you get a second hand HHR at a decent price, like 1,35,000 to 1,40,000, go and grab like this one. Okay, so this is a regular setup that I have, so I've arranged it considering it. And you need for this you need any size of hard disk, be it 500 GB or 1 TB or any link, like 256 MB will also work for it. 256 GB, I am sorry for it. So this rig, how much money I'm getting on this rig, let me show you. For now, this is getting me a hash of 95.81 mega hash, and my processor is giving me 0.856 cents per day. So both are giving me a ratio of $7.83 per day. And this is the mining amount. What I've already mined is $1.58. It's been to about 3 to 4 hours it was mining, so continuously it would mine and it would give me some money of it. Okay, so the cost of the total rig right now, this costed me 1,40,000. This total rig will cost you 32 to 35,000. The RAM will cost you 8,000, and this will cost you 4,000 to 5,000 rupees depending on the condition of. It's a deep cool version, and you would need this if you need your processor to mine for you. You would need this. Okay, without a radiator, 3900X will burn, I think so. And any deep cool you would get it to 7,500 to 6,500. I have bought it new only. It costed me 7,500. So all total, this rig has cost me all in about 1 lakh, 1,80,000 to something. I think so, near about 1,80,000, because 1,40,5, 6, 7, yeah, 1,80,000. More than 1,80,000. This total rig has cost me 1,95,000. Moreover, now talking about the ROI, this total rig will give me a daily income of $7.84. Okay, and if I want to ROI it, then just calculate it. Let's calculate for the ROI how much we can do this. So we'll go to calculator. 7.84. okay, so I'm deducting the cost of daily current expenses minus $3, that is 4.84. okay, I have deducted more. I think it's not $3 daily. It was like just wait a second. 7.81.81 minus $2 maybe. Yeah, 5.81. Okay, let's guess. It's a nice rate. 5.81 into 30 days. So we're earning $174.3, right? 174.3 into Indian currency, we are generating at 75. That will be 13,000 per month. That an ROI of 13,000 per month will give us an ROI in the 1,56,000. Yeah, it would take a year to ROI. If we are running only one card, so be careful for that. Oh, but it's good. I mean, but if you want to make this ROI more better, you can add another card over there. All these slots are empty, and two cards will jump up the ratio to more other. So this is the main factor that you could go. So in a year it would earn you 1,56,000. But if this increases, then this ratio also increases. So we don't know. We are talking about the ratio right now. We're talking about the current price. The current price is going $49,085. It's a good deal. I think, yeah, this would go more over, and mining will never end. So yeah, you can look after for this if you want to invest right now. So this is me signing off for now, and if you want your mine and you are new to mine, please come into the comment box to like some comments down the description, and I would help you to make your own mining rig. And if you want an advanced tutorial of how to make your mining rig, I'm also a rig instructor. I can for now it's my home base. I'm not using so much grid, but I used to build rigs, all the wooden frames and iron frames I am there. So if you want to order such frames, I am basically from India, from here, but you can contact me. I can get you help if you're making a mining rig for now. So this is me signing off right now. Okay, so have a nice day, and thank you for being here.